Hi, welcome to Explorer Caravan Sales. Here's how to set up your anti-flap kit. First, open up your awning as you would normally by flicking the switch to pull it down and then extending it as far as you can go. When you get to the end, you want to make sure that the top groove is sitting at about a 2 o'clock position. This may differ on your caravan as each are different. Next, extend the awning arms so that the awning is tight, then tighten them off. Do this on each end of the caravan. After this, you can bring the legs out to be in the vertical position, adjusting again the awning arms to make sure that the awning is tight. At this point, the holes for your anti-flap kit should be in roughly this position, towards the top of the barrel and near the awning material. It's time to put the anti-flap kit into place. First, slot it into the bracket of the caravan, and then bring it up level with the awning material. You'll loosen it off at the middle so you can extend it out to fit into the hole on the barrel. After this, tighten it off in the middle and then engage the clamps to hold the awning in place.